The Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday has fixed March 28 for ruling in a bail application filed by the suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police, Abba Kyari, and others. Mahmood Magaji, who represented Kyari and the second defendant while arguing their bail application, told the court that the offences for which they are charged are bailable offences and that the court should grant them bail. Also, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency had appealed to the court to deny Abba Kyari bail. The NDLEA, in a 21-paragraph counter-affidavit it presented before the court, insisted that Kyari posed a flight risk, adding that he might escape from the country and make himself unavailable for trial should he be released from custody. The Prosecution Counsel and the Director of Legal Services of the NDLEA, Sunday Joseph, also informed the court of the lack of cooperation by the fourth and fifth defendants, adding that it was no longer willing to retain the defendants in its custody due to their unruly behavior. The agency urged the courts to order them to write an order taking of good behavior. The NDLEA told the court that the defendants were causing a lot of disturbances. The agency said, "We can take the others in our custody except these three defendants, but if they undertake to be of good behavior, we have no problem, we can take them." Consequently, lawyers to the three defendants took turns to enter an undertaking before the court, pleading that their clients would be of good behavior from now onwards. Trial Justice Emeka Nwite, after counsel to the prosecution and defense argued their applications for and against the bail plea, adjourned the case to March 28. Justice Nwite, however, noted that he would order the transfer of the three defendants to a correctional center should the court receive any further report of their unruly behavior. Mahmood Magaji is counsel to Abba Kyari. He spoke with newsmen after the court hearing.
On behalf of the first and second defendant, we will file a bail application and we moved it, and then the ruling has been adjourned to 28th of this month. The offense we are talking about is a bailable offense, and we are very confident that the court will do justice, apply the judicial discretion to ensure that the defendants get bail, for them to adequately prepare for their trial. It's adjourned to 28th of this month.
Abba Kyari, 3 other police officers and 2 civilians are standing trial on an 8-count charge bordering on conspiracy, obstruction, and dealing in cocaine and other related offenses. While Kyari and 3 other defendants, ACP Sunday Ubwa, ASP Bawa James, Inspector Simon Agiriba, Inspector John Nuhu, who are police officers, pleaded not guilty to the 8-count charge. The 2 civilians, Chibuina Patrick Umeibe and Emeka Alphonsus Ezenwaye, pleaded guilty to the 3 charges to which they are involved. Meanwhile, outside the court, the wife of the suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police, DCP Abba Kyari, Ramatu Kyari, slumped at the Federal High Court in Abuja shortly after Justice Nwite denied Kyari and 6 other persons facing drug trafficking charges bail. Kyari's wife fainted while armed operatives of NDLEA were leading her husband and others away from the court premises. She was carried and rushed into one of the offices on the 3rd floor of the court by some officials of the NDLEA and lawyers. At the time of filing this report, Ramatu Kyari was receiving treatment. Outside the court premises, some placards carrying youth came out in solidarity with the suspended cop. Some of the inscriptions on the placards read, "We stand with Abba Kyari. We believe in Kyari."